Hello everybody. Sorry about the camera work here. This video I'm doing, it's kind of in an awkward position and I ain't got no one here with me to help record it, so and excuse me, I got a cold too, so if I sound out of wind, it's because of my asthma and my cold I got, so bear with me on this. But on this here video here, I wanted to show you guys how I hooked this up, so if I wanted to take it back down easily, I could. On the airline part, that is, on hooking it. On this here one, I just put a 1/4 inch male fitting in here. And on my hose, I got my coupler, of course. And you can just plug right into it. That way, if you ever want to undo it, you can undo it. I used this here hose, which is my Flexzilla one. I need to get a shorter one and put on it. But if you wanted to put a coupler up here on this one, you would have to take and get your coupler and get you a 1/4 inch male fitting on both ends. And you would screw that into there and put your coupling onto it. Always use Teflon tape on it. Helps prevent the leaks. And in between the two, you would want to take a 1/4 inch male and a female and put them together. Which I'll go ahead and set the camera down here and kind of show you how I did it there. On this here one, I just took the two and put them together. Let me turn the light on the camera here so it shows up a little better. Okay, but you got your male and female, male and female. But you screw those together, put your Teflon tape on. This here one would be screwed into the hose reel. Just take and plug that one into there and plug your other one on the other side of it. And you could do it that way. On everything, I've been putting couplings on it, like my air tank. I got a coupling on it so I can change out the air chuck to an air nozzle or whatever. And I can just put this here in between the two and fill it up that way. It fills up quicker and you don't got to sit there and hold the air chuck on it. But for on the hose reel, this would work pretty good if you're wanting to be able to undo it all the time with a coupling actually on it. Or you could just put the 1/4 inch male in there and just plug your hose into it. So either way will work. So however you want to do it, your preferences. But it's an easy fix, easy setup. So that's all there is to it. And like I said, I apologize for the camera work here. It's kind of hard to do up in this position and not having no help. But I like having this set up that way. That way I can undo it easily, take it down if I want to move it or if I gotta fix it. Don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, and have a great day everybody, and hit that notification button for future videos. Bye.